barn kit I bought from Jamaica Cottage Shop. I remember it was delivered on Halloween last year, and they brought it here to my business. They had a Moffett forklift on the back of the truck. They put it right where I wanted. Of course, the lot wasn't ready yet for it, so I had them drop it here. I covered it all winter. It's been 6 months. Today's May 13th, so it's been 6 months. It's been sat there. It looks like it's in good shape. But I'm going to put it on my equipment trailer, bring it down there in a couple of loads, and then Joe's going to unload it for me, his equipment. So, and then in a couple of days, I think we're going to start sticking it together. So, I'm going to take you along for this ride. Take two.
Take two.
Stan's sleeping. Find Waldo.
Hiding in my natural habitat.
There it all is. It's all on site, all the lumber. And we're going to get started building tomorrow. So, see you then. Alright, now there's many ways to do the sill. You can measure it all out, measure where the bolts are, mark it all out, drill them. I prefer to just take the lumber, put it right up to it, mark where the bolts are, and then just measure in and make your hole big enough where you can wiggle it a little bit. I'm not going to bolt anything down until the whole thing's down, and then we'll square the sill. Doesn't matter if the foundation is square, which it is. The sill has to be square. Let's give it a try.
This is the part of the video where
cut all this out.
This all goes high speed and we're going to be going like...
That's right. He takes a little bit. Declan, first piece of lumber going up. There we go.
Alright, so let's jump on this thing.
Now what are we gonna do? What should we do now, Holly?
Good job. Good job, Nibbles.
That's it, we're done.
Almost done. I bet it can stay there. Say a blessing or something.
Someone's gonna have to hold that for me.
I'm not like
Take your time, Steve, don't rush. I like when the foreman's like, hey, slow down, will you?
Is it about 1 o'clock? We got 4 posts up, well 3 posts. We're working on the 4th one.
Well, we had to do all the, you know.
Yeah,
sorting.
we had to fight through 3 sets of plans.
We had to make up our mind.
We had to come up with a numbering system that made sense to us. Here we go, post number 4. It's gonna get interesting on the back. Lovely.
Oh, did we break the head?
Dude, no, it went right through the hole.
Long hole.
Yeah. Now let loose.
Second day of the barn build. Some friends of ours from up north wanted to come down and help, so that kind of gave me motivation to get started, get everything down here, get the barn kit down here, get all the tools down here, all the tools gathered, just to get going. So yesterday we had 7 or 8 people on the job. It was very chaotic, but we got a lot of work done. You saw we got the front half of the barn up. Now my brother's here today, and he and I have done a lot of projects like this together over the years. We built one of his houses and then renovated his next one, and he's helped me build the last barn on my current house and do projects throughout the years. So he and I work well together. What we're doing today is right now he's cutting the posts for the back wall, where I modified the height of the back wall so that we could get that overhang behind the building. And the original back of the building was only set, the height of that beam was the height of the building, so that would have given me, by the time you go 10 feet out with the slope of the roof, that back post would have been 4 feet high, and I want it to be 8 feet high. So what that means is the back wall needs to get up to about 11 feet. So I just ordered some extra 6x6s, 12 foot long, from Jamaica Cottage Shop, and then now we're cutting them to fit. So hopefully the goal for the day is to get all those posts up, get all the beams in, the box beams in, and get the 2x6 top plate around the whole barn. And then the next project will be getting some siding on and then getting the roof on. So let's see how much we get done. What are you building, a barn? How's it look? Good enough?
I hope so.
Yeah. I think that's one post done.
I'm looking for height.
Perfect. It's exactly the height we want.
I want this to be 142 and an 8, right to there.
Perfect. Do that then. You guys lift, I'll screw.
We'll call this the 8. 142 is right to there.
Henry the 8th.
It's a little bit farther. What it's going to do.
That's just tight.
I am not the young man I used to be. Not going to fit in that hole.
You gotta go up. There you go.
There you go.
You over there, Will? I better screw this whole thing because I ain't got another chance to get in here after we put that inside beam in. You've got it. Lovely. 3.5 inch screws. One of them torque spits.
Did you hear what Larry Holmes told Howard post-sell when he said,
Got $1 million.
one of the biggest paydays ever? He says, $1 million. He says, Howard, if I want me $1 million, I'll go to the bank and get one.
Push against that post.
It's okay, Pike.
Oh, this way.
This way?
She's got no support.
I got you.
Mike could need a brace going that way.
Mike, good.
All right, the end of a very productive weekend here in May, building the barn kit. Let me just take you around. Show you what this looks like. Right? Yesterday we had a bunch of friends here. Today my brother came down and we really got some work done today. Just beautiful. So next is siding, and then we'll do the roof. So looking forward to getting this project done and getting a space where we can keep our tools under a roof. That's a concept. All right, thanks for watching the videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Throw me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Do what you dig. Dig what you do. Life will be sweet. See you next time.